If you want to learn how to make money online, but do not want to have to deal with all those complicated online marketing funnel strategies like writing a million emails, creating complex sales pages, having to deal with a course platform for selling online courses and all of that jazz, then this video is for you. I'm going to make things really simple by pulling the curtain back and revealing what I would do if I was getting started today. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I help eliminate the obstacles to getting you sitting where I'm sitting right now in front of the camera, sharing your message with the world. So if you're ready to start using video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and check out the helpful resources that are linked in the description below. Now, before we dive into today's content, I want to point out that this is all coming from someone that has dove deep into the world of online marketing and has complicated online marketing funnels that are running in the background for my business. And the reality is, if I was starting today, I wouldn't do any of that. I would keep it as simple as possible, and I would take advantage of those early scrappy days where you are creating content and you're talking to tons of people in your DMs, and I would keep things extremely simple in terms of my offerings and my funnel. What I would do is I would first start by brainstorming different simple offerings that you can have. And these might be coaching, one-on-one services that you can provide, services that you want to sell to your local community, or maybe even low-end online courses like under $100 kind of thing that you could maybe get up and running within a weekend or a month of creating those online courses. So keeping it really, really simple is going to be essential to making money as quickly as possible. And the next thing that you need to keep simple is your funnel. So as I mentioned, there is so many different ways to create online marketing funnels that can become very complex very quickly, and it is unnecessary. Often, if you're first getting started, if you go the very complicated route, then you're going to get lost in the weeds and you're going to give up before you even start. So in addition to simple offerings, you also want to have a simple funnel. If I was getting started from scratch today, I would hands down start a Stan store. Now stick with me if you don't know what that is, because this is going to absolutely transform the way you are going to approach your online business. So what is Stan? Stan is essentially if Calendly, Linktree, and Kajabi had a baby. And if you don't know what any of those are, I will show you, don't worry. In fact, let's pull it up on the screen right now. So here is the Stan homepage, just to give you an idea. And then I want to show you the back end of this. And you're going to be amazed at how simple making money online can be. You can have calendar bookings, you can sell digital products, you can have your affiliate links all in one place. And it is a very simple web page that people can book directly on and book calendar appointments with you and pay for those calendar appointments, or check out with online courses as well, or anything like that, all in one place. It's really, really incredible. Now, before I hop on and show you the back end of Stan, I want to once again reiterate, you're going to have simple offerings and a simple funnel, and that is what you're going to use Stan for. But I want to round out how this is going to work in terms of making money online by talking about the third and most important part of this, which is actually creating content online. So what you're going to do, instead of going out and focusing all of your efforts on a complicated marketing funnel that won't be launched for the next 3 to 4 months, because that's how long it would take to do that, you're going to instead focus on creating content that is going to drive back to your Stan store. Now, this channel is all about this. So if you're interested in doing that and you don't really know how to get your message out there or how to attract an audience, then definitely be sure to subscribe. There's plenty of resources on this channel for you. So number one, you're going to have simple offerings, right? You're going to have coaching and some maybe under $100 products that you can sell. Then number two, you're going to keep things very, very simple by using the Stan store and having one thing that you're paying for instead of a million things online. And then the third thing, you're going to create content that is going to push people to that Stan store. So now let's hop on and let me show you the behind the scenes of what the Stan store looks like. So here's the back end of Stan and what it looks like. And I set up a couple of examples to show you how it can be super easy to set this up for yourself. So I have over here some things like I have a coaching session that someone can book with me. And if I actually pull up the Stan store itself, you can see that when someone clicks on this, they can read what it is about and they can book a time right there to work with me, fill out their info, as well as their credit card payment all in one place, which is absolutely incredible. Now, here's an example of an online course that you can sell. So this one is $97. There's options that you can get a discount on it or anything like that. But what's super cool about this is that you can have your sales page all be within this platform and you don't have to do any design work, which let me tell you, will save you hours from having to do that. So you can describe what the program is. You can even have a promo video as well as testimonials all in one place. They can fill out their info and pay right there. This is truly like, if I was getting started, this is 100% what I would do, just because it is so much easier than trying to hire a marketing team to do this for you or to try to figure it all out yourself. You are already busy running your business and you don't want to have to become an online marketing pro in order to make money online. Trust me, this is incredible. Now, when you're actually looking at how to build that sales page, you can see how simple it is. It completely removes the need to design anything, which is incredible. It's just a matter of writing the copy and uploading any videos and customer testimonials, and as well as being able to actually upload your full course to this platform, which is incredible. So you can upload any videos as well as any supporting materials, and the description can go in here as well and have as many modules and as many lessons as needed. This alone is going to save you so much money from having to buy an additional course platform. Trust me. Now, you can also within this tool have opt-ins that people can opt in, putting their name and email in there, even their phone number, and immediately gain access to whatever it is that you want them to gain access to. So maybe this is a PDF guide, maybe it's a video series that you're giving away for free that leads people into some offering that you sell that kind of nurtures them a little bit more. Whatever it is, you can collect their name and email, and then on the back side of that, you can always implement any sort of complicated marketing strategies if you want, or you could just follow up with that person that reached out and filled out your form. Now, these are only a few of the capabilities that Stan has to offer. There are so many that you can do, and you can see on the screen here just how many there are. So I highly, highly recommend checking this software out, because this will save you so much time and money when it comes to actually starting to make money online. So hopefully this video was helpful to get you up and running. Remember, all you have to do is come up with simple offerings, a simple funnel using the Stan store, and then start creating content that is driving people back to purchase whatever you have to offer. If this video is helpful, please be sure to click like and drop your comments below letting me know, and I'll see you in the next video.